Hey everybody, today we're in a Subaru Forester. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip center mount number 855513. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First of all, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You can see it as this blue covering here. Now you do have to peel that covering off before you attach the mount to the dash. And that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount in the future, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. Second is make sure you attach the mount to the vehicle before you screw anything to the faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. This mount is going to attach in two different places on the vent here. The first is on this side, behind this hard plastic flashing, and in between that and the actual vent on the inside, there is a seam. And then on this side, there's another seam kind of just behind this chrome piece here. And on the mount, this L-shaped edge is going to be the one that goes on the passenger side of the vent. And then this little channel that's cut in here is going to be going on the driver's side. So to get started, we're going to take our included gap opener. And you want to come somewhere about in the middle of the whole vent. So right in here somewhere. On the inside, this is a pretty tight seam, and it varies from car to car, so you might have to slide this up and down a little bit just to find a good spot that you can insert it. Once it's in, this seam will be opened up so we can insert this edge of the mount. We'll do that. Once that's in place, we can remove the gap opener so it's not in the way anymore. Now you want to make sure you hold the mount with your hand so it doesn't slip out of the seam we just put it in. And now we can rotate it back so that little channel we looked at before will snap in behind the chrome piece. Now we have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.